This is a blank screen where anything can spawn here and anyone could spawn here too. And that anyone, like you, are forced to interact with that anything for a bunch of eyeballs currently watching the screen right now.
Yep, pretty much. For years.